Immaculate Farmhouse Beauty in Clayton's premier Equestrian Portofino Community. You are welcomed from the rocking chair front porch into a warm, inviting, well-thought-out home with an amazing open floor plan. The light and bright family room features gleaming hardwoods, gas fireplace, and large double glass doors that open to a beautiful back porch. Remote shades offer you additional privacy when needed, but also the gorgeous views of backyard with the touch of a button. Large center island with beautiful quartz countertop is a beautiful focal point for this stunning chef's kitchen. Large primary bedroom on main has a fabulous spa-like bathroom you will enjoy waking up in every morning. Upstairs has an amazing oversized bonus room, 3 spacious additional bedrooms each with a walk-in closet and private bath.